morning everyone. Welcome to St. Francis e-learning school. Today we are going to learn the first topic of our science one, gravitation. Before start any subtopics of this lesson, first we have to understand what is gravitation. As we all know, the gravitational force is discovered by the Sir Isaac Newton. But how we can define the gravitation? So for that, we write the definition: the force of attraction. I repeat, the force of attraction between two objects with mass towards itself is called gravitation. I repeat the whole definition once again. The force of attraction between two objects with mass towards itself is called gravitation. After that, the next is there force. Force is, we all aware about this, but there is again one question, definition of the force. So let me write and show you. Okay, so write the definition of gravitation. This, the force of attraction between two objects with mass towards itself is called gravitation. So I just repeat, the force of attraction between two objects with mass towards itself is called gravitation. Next one, just write the definition of force. So for the definition of force, we can write any external efforts apply to any object to change its size, shape or state or motion or direction is called force. So here I repeat the definition: any external efforts that apply to an object to change its size or shape or state or a direction is called force. Okay, let me explain you about the force. Like we see in the definition, external efforts which change the size and shape. For example, rubber band. When we apply a force, when we do any external efforts on rubber band, its size will change and its shape will also change. And one more thing is there, also change the direction or a motion. For example, football. We are playing a football. When I am going to kick the football is at rest. When we apply a effort, then football is moving. That means it's changed its motion. Or direction, related to direction, like we are kicking the football and goalkeeper is catching the football. At that time, the motion will stop. Or if the goalkeeper or any other player kick the football from that side, then again the direction will change.